Hello everyone,
I'm Sadia.
I'm Hassan.
Welcome to our channel.
This is our second episode from our Maldives trips.
And in this episode, we will try to bring some more moments from our trips along with some drone shots.
So let's begin.
And don't forget to subscribe.
So it was our second day. What a beautiful morning view from our bedroom, overseeing the endless blue Indian Ocean.
So we ordered a floating breakfast for our daughter as a surprise, and she got super excited to see it. Even though it was so windy and we were so struggling with the tray to keep the balance, but the experience was simply amazing. And as a spread, we had different smoothie bowl, homemade pastries, mixed fruit platter, choices of eggs, cereal, pancakes, fresh juices, cheese platters, and many more.
Waking up in my bed, you're still stuck in my head. I'm not even hungover.
Eating our heart out, we decided to set out for some island exploring and water activities.
Not very good with decisions. Know what's right, but I don't listen. I don't.
So we thought, why don't we start with canoeing? Like many other resorts, Siyam also had a separate water activity center, from where you can get all the equipments and gears for your kayaking, banana boarding, stand-up paddle boarding, snorkeling, and many more.
But unfortunately, the wind was really rough and waves were so choppy that you could hardly see anyone canoeing in that weather.
However, we wanted to give it a try and set our sail for unknown voyage.
No, it's not good for me, but I still want your body. So dumb, but it's not over. Not very good with decisions. Know what's right, but I don't listen. I don't.
After 2 minutes, here is the great explorer, Christopher Columbus, and his tiny companion back to the shore.
Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad for business. Baby, you're bad. Baby, you're bad.
After humping and jumping in ocean with our canoe, we thought maybe we should have just gone for snorkeling, and that's what we ended up doing.
Most of the resort have snorkeling gear for its guests, so you don't really need to have to carry and weigh your luggage. Our resort was surrounded by some of the best coral reef in Maldives. This beautiful country of 26 atolls and more than 1,000 paradise island are an endless fascinating playground of small and big sea creatures. No matter where you dive in, you will get to see something. There is always surprise for you, and if you're lucky enough, you can encounter some manta ray, sea turtles, and baby sharks.
Always remember a few things while snorkeling.
Do not snorkel alone, especially if you do not know how to swim.
Always check the weather conditions. Check direction of current before going to the deep.
Check resort map. Be aware snorkeling prohibited areas due to strong current.
Never touch anything in the water. And please keep the ocean clean.
After having lunch, we were just walking by the shore and capturing some moments. The island itself is so beautiful that wherever you go, you will find a spot to take some pictures and treasure it for the rest of your life.
And just like that, end of another beautiful day.
This is the main restaurant of the resort, where they serve buffet breakfast, lunch and dinner. One can enjoy a beautiful view while having their meal. Also, you can share your food with these tiny little wanted guests.
একসাথে রেডি স্টেডি গো একসাথে করি হ্যাঁ একসাথে Steady, steady, go!
After breakfast, we decided to have some walk and get some drone shots of our beautiful resort. Due to privacy, drone was not allowed in our resort, but with proper permission and keeping everyone's safety in consideration, we were able to get some beautiful shots. So pretty much at every resort, there is a segment where resort staff arrange a stingray feeding session for their guests. Usually they do this around 5 p.m.ish, just before sunset. The resort people put a barricade along the shoreline to maintain a safe distance from the rails. The guests are expected to line up behind the barricade to get the view of this incredible, beautiful species being fed with fishes.
And it's almost end of a great and eventful day.
Just before the sun goes down, we take an advantage of the mood and get some shots around the resorts.
I tried to give away all I had. My mind was full of my mistakes. I've been too fragile through my life, and I'm missing you so bad. Don't know if I should call you back. You know it's getting dark inside my head. I feel there's something that is stopping me now.
We were a bit exhausted from our whole day running around, so we cut down our dinner into short and had light snacks.
Feel there's something that is stopping me now. Oh. And I try to forget all what I had, but is my mind really gonna cut you out? I feel like no prayers are gonna help.
So we will sign off today and enjoy our time till it lasts. Don't worry, we will get back to you soon with the rest of our trip in our next episode. Till then, stay with us.
There's something that is stopping me now.